I feel like that would be a good intro.
You put your seatbelt on, we're not going anywhere.
Oh, I thought you were driving and doing this job.
Why are you swearing?
Oh, right, I forgot. I forgot this is family-friendly content, I'm sorry.
This is very professional. We feel very professional doing this.
Yeah, look at me and my business sitting over here.
Alright, well.
Hello, and welcome to Bottom Gear. I'm here with Luke.
It's a very, very professional review of the E82 125i. Very, very professional and very, very worthy of your time. So. Two-door and four-seat cars apparently. It's first on the list.
What, comparing this to other?
Yeah. So we got like, this is obviously a four-seat car with two doors, and then you just need other ones for the similar price.
Yeah, but what? Okay, here's a good question. What compares to a 1 Series?
Well, coupe. An Audi TT. But they're boring.
Does that really count?
They
kind of feel small. They feel like a bit more cars.
You can't actually get 4 people in the back unless the 2 people in the back have no legs.
I feel like it's the same as like the GT86, even though that's not quite like a...
Oh yeah, those exist.
Yeah.
Yes, those definitely four people capable. Oh fuck.
It definitely has like the capability of putting people in the back, but
yeah, just how you put them in is the different question.
Yeah.
I've had 4 6-foot plus people in this thing and it works. So it's you know, that's a point to the BMW. Alfa Romeo Carrera, right, with the V6.
See, I don't know much about that car.
Well, they sound very, very spicy.
Yeah, but that's kind of what you would expect from like a V6.
But they are a little bit fragile, aren't they?
Yeah, because it's still just an Alfa.
And you also have Audi S5, but it's not really in the same category. It's more of a muscle GT car kind of thing. This is definitely a sporty coupe. But the S5 does absolutely batter this thing. There's probably no doubt about that. It is a lot better.
Yeah, but that's like in a whole other league. That's kind of competing with something like a C63 or maybe like a...
Maybe not that far.
Yeah, I think so. I would
RS5 would.
I'd definitely put it around there.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go on then, tell us what the specs are on this.
Right, so in this thing we have got a 3-litre naturally aspirated straight 6, which is probably some of BMW's finest work. This thing is indestructible, apart from that mine's currently broken.
What have you got? The heated seats.
Heated seats, the leather. The electric seats, the sat nav and the iDrive. I've got a cup holder, which not all of them have.
See,
my friend hasn't got one in his. It's got what else has it got? It's got automatic rain wipers. It's got automatic headlights. Armrest, which I don't think all of them.
mods.
So stock is 218 brake, I think it was. 218, 220, and I've had this remapped to roughly 270. It's had a custom exhaust put on it, which no doubt you'll be hearing, and you can probably hear over all of our talking. It's just
say that's a you problem because the one series you had before that.
It was the same.
It was exactly the same.
I had the F20 hatchback 116D, and the handbrake was the exact same. It just doesn't want to work really. And sometimes you think you pulled it up high enough and you'll be in a parking spot, and all of a sudden you'll just start rolling, and you have to put it up another 3 clicks before it actually works. I'm driving along now, and I just pull this thing up. Absolutely nothing happened. There was no difference whatsoever. The cup holder is absolutely shocking. I don't know why in Germany they're like, oh yes, we put she cup holder underneath the armrest. This good, yeah? No, it's rubbish. It is absolute. Why would you put a cup holder underneath an armrest? I can't use that.